The funeral is about to begin, sir.
I've been waiting for you.
Boy, you play a good game, boy. But the game is finished. Now you die. Boy. Boy.
They have no need of your services.
You think that when you die, you go to heaven. You come to us. No, it's not.
I don't want him in pieces. Then I'll wait. Take good care of him.
Boy. It's time now, boy. You know the way out. Use your brain, boy. Welcome home, boy. You found your way back to where you started. Your journey is now complete. You have lived in this flesh construct long enough. Now it is time for you to come back to me. I have plans for you. Later, let me release you from this imperfect flesh that ties you to time and space. All that is unknown will be known to you once more. It's never over. Small man, your end approaches, but it is not yet. Take great care how you play. The final game now begins. Yes, boy. Not possible. Where you belong. This experience may seem strange to you, this evolution, as you prepare for passage. You have no one but me. Cut me down, boy! Cut me down! I won't hurt you. I'll go away, and I won't ever come back. Yes. Boy! I've been waiting for you for a very long time. And no, you may not take your own life. That is my domain, exclusively. Come, boy. We have things to do. Careful what you look for. You just might find it. And so it begins. Now, this won't hurt a bit. Well, maybe just a little bit. Ice cream man. It's all in his head. It's time now, boy. A toy. Our paths cross again. You've tried to thrust yourself in my way for years now. And what has it got you? Your loved ones? All gone. None of you ever listen. When their time comes, they don't die. They come to me. I have plans to make things better for everyone. Just stay out of my way. Let the plan complete itself. No, you stay away from him. He is mine. Always. Perhaps you need time to think this over. But be quick. There's little time left. You could leave this rat maze if you chose, and be with your family again. But my generosity is fleeting. You will have no more chances beyond this moment. Why? Why are you so obsessed with these two friends? Those frail human emotions again. Do you not understand? Your kind are simply skin sacks of water and meat. And when a few random electrons fire off in that puny brain of yours, you're ready to annihilate yourself for this feeble sensation you call loyalty. You brought this on yourself.
You are an unwanted pawn in the game. Your tenacity has amused me, and I've enjoyed your despair. But my use for you is at an end. You're not even real. You're my bad dream. My need for you is now finished. That loyalty again. You can use your weapons, but all you destroy is this flimsy skin sack. There are thousands of me, tens of thousands. I'm in dimensions you cannot possibly imagine. You were my subject, and you, well, every tall man deserves an amusement.